Hey, everyone, welcome back to VitalGlow Life. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods that can give your skin that radiant glow we all love. If you're looking for ways to enhance your skin health, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Number 1, fatty fish. Our first superfood for glowing skin is none other than fatty fish, like salmon. Fatty fish is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in maintaining skin health. These healthy fats support the skin's barrier function, reduce inflammation, and keep your skin hydrated. So, make sure to add some delicious salmon to your next meal for that extra skin-loving boost. Number 2, avocado. Next up, we have the creamy and versatile avocado. Avocados are a powerhouse of nutrients, including monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants. These elements contribute to skin hydration, protect against oxidative damage, and promote overall skin health. Whether you spread it on toast or add it to a salad, avocados are a delicious way to nourish your skin from the inside out. Number 3, berries. Now, let's talk about berries, nature's little gems. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, take your pick. Berries are bursting with antioxidants, specifically vitamin C and E, which help shield your skin from free radicals. These fruits are not only tasty, but also support your skin's defense mechanisms. Incorporate a colorful mix of berries into your diet for a sweet and skin-friendly treat. Number 4, dark leafy greens, such as spinach and kale. These veggies are rich in essential vitamins like A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and folate. These nutrients play a vital role in skin repair, collagen production, and protection against environmental stressors. So, don't forget to load up on those greens for a healthy and radiant complexion. Number 5, nuts and seeds. Last but not least, let's talk about nuts and seeds. Think almonds, sunflower seeds, and more. Packed with essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals, nuts and seeds support skin elasticity, hydration, and the overall health of cell membranes. Sprinkle them on your yogurt or grab a handful as a snack for a crunchy and skin-loving boost. Remember, a healthy lifestyle, proper hydration, and protection from the sun are all part of the equation. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments which superfood you're excited to try. Until next time, take care of your skin and stay fabulous.